The Artist of the Year is the incredibly incredible Payal Kapadia.
Woo! The Hollywood Reporter India honors Payal Kapadia.
Thank you to the Hollywood Reporter for organizing this and for giving me this award. It's really nice actually to be here with so many amazing, cool women who I've really looked up to. And they're just amazing artists. They just happen to be women. So I think that's really nice. I'd really like to thank everybody, especially all the women that were in my film, the actresses Chaya, Kani, and Divya. Chaya and Kani are here. They are they're not just amazing actors, they're just like the best people in the world. And they supported me like, they didn't have to go that extra mile and they really, really did. So thank you. And I'd also like to thank all the women who worked on our sets, technicians, assistants, junior artists. It really takes a village to make a film, and it's so great that so many women are now on our sets. When I started out as an AD, I used to be the only one sometimes, and it was weird. So I'm glad that that is no longer the case, and we have to strive and work to have many more women working on our sets. It's like one thing that you feel, why are we still having an award just for women? Why are we still here? But the truth is that it's not an equal situation still. So it is important to recognize the work that women do in this industry, especially the film industry, because that's the one I'm familiar with. And there are so many challenges in the work environment that, that are specific to women. Yeah. The sets are not very friendly oftentimes, and it is not the best environment to work in for women oftentimes. And there are other issues like going home late from work, and that is a truly anxiety-causing thing that a lot of other men don't have to deal with. And even something really simple is the fact that we don't have toilets for women, and it's so hard if you're working on in a film in the middle of some random place to pee. And I think that's made at least me and a lot of other women's bladders evolved into like much are able to hold for a much longer time. I know it's a weird thing to say, but I think it's important that we acknowledge the smaller things that people take for granted, that we as women do not have access to toilets on a lot of our shoots. And that's why it's an extra added challenge to work in cinema as women. Yeah, I think that's it from me. I'd end with the bladder note.